What's up guys, welcome back to Shallumsappetite, and today I've got some very nice fillet fish here from the supermarket. Today I'll be preparing two different kind of fillet styles. One battered with tempura and the other just with simple salt and spices. By the way, do stay till the end of the video where I will show you some awesome homemade sauces that I can have with this fillet. To start off, these are the simple ingredients that I need. So I need salt, some herbs, tempura flour, lemon, chili powder, paprika, butter, black pepper, and also some oil. First off, I would prefer to halve the fillet before we season it. Alright, for the first recipe, I call this spicy seared fillet. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt, add some black pepper, add some herbs, and for the kicker, you add chili powder. So depending on how spicy you want this to be, just add based on your taste. When this is ready, time to heat up the pan. Add in some olive oil. When the heat is ready, time to sear the fishes. Let it cook on one side, and later on we'll flip it to get nice colors. Alright guys, make sure that the heat is not too high. Even the oil on the fillets. Can you see that it's still stuck to the pan? So it's not ready yet. When the fish is not sticking to the pan like this, it's ready to turn. Add in the butter and let it have the flavor. Press on the fishes. Just flip it another round. Look at that. The color, guys. It's awesome. Look at that. Woohoo! Looks like it's ready. Oh my gosh, the smell of the butter, awesome. Squeeze some lemon and it's ready to be eaten. There you go. Alright, for the tempura, we add in about 3 to 4 spoons and about 75 ml of water. Add in salt, pepper, chili flakes. Stir it evenly. Alright, so this is the kind of texture that you want. So what I'll do, I just get a fillet and dip inside the tempura. And I will use more vegetable oil for this. So I'll just dip the fillet in the tempura, and once the oil is hot, I'll just add them in. So the same process, just cook on one side and we'll flip it later on. It's time to flip. Can you see the amazing color? I'll show you. This is awesome, guys. The spattering of the oil, just be careful guys. So we're gonna keep on flipping till we get a totally crispy tempura fillet. It's ready for the next round of flipping. Oh, look at that guys, it's so crispy. I'll show you, look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, looks like it's ready. Look at this, it's so crispy. Awesome. So we're gonna put it aside Let it all soak on the paper. Check these out. Alright guys, so this is it when it's golden brown, and it's now time to make a special homemade sauce. So I'm using mayonnaise as a base. I'll add in some chili and garlic powder. So this is the homemade sauce, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. So crispy. So just simply dip this and it's ready to be eaten. There you go, guys, my spicy seared fillet and tempura fillet. Hope you enjoyed what I share and you can give it a try for yourself. Let me know in the comments of what do you think the taste of the fillet will be. If you would like me to share more about foods, hit the subscribe and like button, guys. What do you think of this food? For me, sedap kapa. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on different recipes. Till the next session, see ya!